So this is all the parts for the top left corner. Looks like they're right, but all the references is from the back. So it goes together pretty easy. Bearing just snaps into this groove. Pretty painless. These slip over. You gotta squeeze those together just a little. And 3/4 screws. I was hoping to use the 1/2 inch, but as you can see, the 3/4 barely makes it through, so used a 3/4. And I'm using my finger to hold the nut on, screwing that in. This is going to be easier to get to from that side. Use my finger to hold the nut on. And there is the completed part. Very quick and painless. So how this goes together is you loosen these as much as you can. And you take your conduit and work up in there. You tighten this. And that doesn't move. I'm trying to twist that and I can't. So loosen it and pull it right back out. Now it's a little difficult to get in there and it's almost a force fit, but you want to be sure that you've cleaned up the edges and there's no burrs. That might score that, might cause it to break, I don't know, but way better off to clean the burrs off of those. And there's the completed part. It's that easy. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.